Alright guys, well I'm starting to hear some water over here. Might be a good sign, it might be something interesting. Wish we could get down to it. Hanging on through here guys. Living life on the edge. Well guys, we can slide down this and see if we can get down there. And the problem is I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up this because it's so slippery. Oh wow. Okay. Oh yeah. Good morning guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we're here at the LaBarbecue Farm. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. I have no idea. Anyway, we're gonna go on this trail. I have no idea what we're gonna get in today. Hopefully it's some fun stuff. I've never been here before. It's brand new to me, so hopefully there's some exciting stuff to come. As you can hear the chainsaw, clearly something fell down in the trail, so they have the conservation guys coming out here and cleaning it up. Got ourselves a nice little stairway coming up here, but I think we are getting close to the chainsaw massacre. So let's see what these guys are up to. Well, here's the mess they made, but trying to fix the trail because, well, a tree fell down. We're gonna try to get through all this. Oh. All right. I will say, after a nice rain here in Missouri, we have some beautiful forest. So this trail is supposed to split here in a little bit, and it's supposed to be one big loop, and then we come back this way to get to the car. This trail altogether, I think, is about just under 3.5 miles. Okay guys, so we're at the split of the trail and we are going to want to go this way, and when we're end of the trail we will come out this way, and down towards this end I think there is something special that we will see. Dude, it is so muddy. Holy cow. Well, this looks pretty treacherous. Yikes. Oh, we made it. Alright guys, I have to show you this. I've never seen anything like it. Look at this. Have you ever seen anything like this? I mean, this whole log is just covered in this fungi. If you have any inkling of what this is, let me know in the comments, please. Do we have anything in here, guys? It's a nice little bluff. Look down upon the woods. I hear a creek down there. Alright, you would come up to the creek, like I said, on top of that bluff. Or maybe a little stream, I wouldn't say so much a creek. So far, there's not a whole lot to this trail, which is an okay thing. I really like the feeling of being secluded out here because there's absolutely no traffic noise. It is just you and the wildlife. Besides the chainsaw guys. They were just doing their job, taking care of the trail for us explorers out here. Worm-eating warbler. I love those little birds. Okay, so this trail seems like it's going to start getting a little more difficult because we are heading uphill now. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Are you ready? Deep breath. Turtle time. This one has stage fright too, guys, so you have to forgive him as well. Well, believe it or not, besides the birds, that is the first wildlife I've seen on this trail so far. I expect a little more being out here by myself with... Oh no! Water, guys, what are we gonna do? I don't like this. Oh man. Well, I'll tell you, I thought I was making some progress on this trail, but no. I just looked at my All Trails map and we're like about a quarter of the way on this trail, so we got a ways to go. Now, if you do come out here to this trail, it's not really that bad. That hill earlier that we were climbing up, it was pretty easy. Most of it's been pretty steady ground, so not a bad trail. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm out hiking, I feel like I'm missing a lot of stuff because I'm constantly looking at the ground, like where I'm stepping, because I don't want to fall, especially in this muddy, wet environment that we have right now. So, looks like we're gonna have to call those guys with the chainsaw. Because there's a tree that is down. Alright. Easy as that. Alright. It's time to bust out the water. That's good. It's real good. Also, I'm pretty sure I butchered that name. It's French and it's called La Barque. I made it way more difficult than it should have been. Well, this is a neat little area. Nice little rocky area. No idea, but neat looking. There's some more right here. So this rock is starting to appear everywhere now in this little area. I don't know what all this is or what it's from. So if you know, let me know in the comments. Shit. Well, this sucks. Right in our pathway. But luckily, people are smart enough and went around so we could avoid that entire mess. Well, for my bros out there, I forgot my shades and the sun's starting to come out. Not good. Just listen, guys. So we are officially at the halfway point of this trail. It has been one of the most relaxing trails I've been on in a long time. In fact, it might be the most relaxing trail I've been on. To just get away from society, no traffic noise. It's been absolutely awesome. Also, if you guys are wanting to know where this trail is located, it is located about a mile or so from Old Town Eureka here in Missouri. I'm starting to hear some water over here. Might be a good sign, it might be something interesting. Nice creek bed down there. Okay, so this is pretty neat. I like this. Oh wow. Unfortunately we can't get down to it. Maybe we can. Oh wow. Not bad. It's freaking cool. What I'm hanging on to here, guys. Living life on the edge. Well guys, we could slide down this and see if we can get down there. The only problem is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up this because it's so slippery. Alright, well, I went down it. The hell with it. I'll figure a way back up. I want to check this out for you guys. Wow. Okay. Well, that's cool looking. Whoa. This is definitely a cool area. And the problem is, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up. That's where we just were up top a second ago. Oh man. This is a cool area. Oh yeah. We're going into it, guys. This is really, really cool. And I got the trusty flashlight. Hell yeah. Look at that water seeping through there. How cool is this, guys? What I have to say coming down here, guys, is definitely the way to go. This is definitely worth struggling to get back up onto the trail. I honestly feel like I'm in Jurassic Park right now. The way the foliage is and this waterfall, like it is, got some real Jurassic Park vibes going. Okay, so I know everyone's gonna want to see me struggle trying to get back up this. So I will video record this for you guys. Look at that. Yeah, easy. So whatever that was not on the All Trails I don't know what you're gonna call it, like a little marker area where there's something special. That wasn't on there, so that was a straight find by us. It's trail mix time. Need some energy after that climb. That was rough. We came up to something interesting here. It was on the all trail maps, so I did know about it, but I didn't know it was going to be this neat. See, this stream goes all the way up into there, and I guess this leads to where we were at earlier. A funny smell over here. Huh. And the rest of this trail is kind of neat right here too. I like this. How it's part of the trail. I think that's pretty cool. Guys, I found our friend. Look at him. Oh, it's okay, buddy. He was a lot more camera friendly than the last two, so thank you, little guy. Does not look safe by any means. Oh. Alright, well, there is an easier way, but why would we do that, guys? Why not risk our lives going down these rocks? So we have come to the stream, but the trail splits in two. Ah, that's pretty. Look at this, guys. The trail that I'm on now tells me I'm backtracking to the way we just came. But I'm curious as to what's along the stream here because there's a trail going to it and I have to know. Alright, well, there isn't much to this. It's really pretty, but this is all there is to it, so I guess we'll head back and finish the trail. Well, I lied. This trail gets really wonky from here. I don't understand. There's a trail going that way, but the arrow's pointing this way, so I guess obviously it's telling us to go this way, but what the hell is this? That was very weird. I didn't like that. Okay guys, so as you can see behind me, there is a split in the trail, which means we have made it. So that means that we have completed almost 3.5 miles on this trail, the La Barque Trail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. This was a really, really quiet trail. There's a plane going by now. But no, it was lovely. It was peaceful, and if you never need to just get away from the city life, man, come to this place. It is quiet. It'll just be you and Mother Nature. Again, thanks again for joining me on this adventure, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and as always, if you know somebody who likes this kind of content, please share it. Take care, guys, and God bless.